inside our filters folder here, inside components, let's add another file and call it order filter.jsx. And here inside, let's add component. And what we need to do, we need to display the same like we have done here. Let's move down what we have here. So let's copy this part from here and paste it here. Let's organize the code and paste. And we need to organize our code. Let's organize it now. So here is our code, and let's organize this part. And now everything is organized. What I think that I have copied also the search. Okay, let's command this part, or let's leave it. Let's leave the search. We will add it later. Okay, let's keep it as it is. So for now, let's start with order. So the order, the first thing we need to do, the same thing like we have done here inside our categories. So we need to define the dispatch. So let's define it here. Dispatch, and use dispatch. And we need also to get the category by from state. So let's define it here. We have already added the order by. So let's copy and paste it here. And we need to import the use selector. And that's all. Here what we have the order by. So if the order by, which is this one, is not null, we display the button. So now we need to dispatch the action, which is set order by. So let's add it here and we give it null. So we need first to import it, and here is it. Okay, don't forget to import it, and we give it null in case the order by exists. Next, what we need to do, let's move to the next. Next, we have the order by, and we give it the column and the direction. And here we have for the ID. And we have also for the title. Okay, so all we need to do is to use the same thing, dispatch, and we have here set order. So here let's add another parentheses. So what is wrong here? We dispatch and so let's do something. Let's remove this extra. And now we can add it here. So we dispatch set order by, and we give it the column and the direction. We need to do the same here. Let's remove this extra parentheses. And we need to do the same thing here. And we need to do the same thing here. Okay, so let's do something. So since we are repeating the same thing again and again here, so the same thing is repeated here, here, and here, and also here. Okay, so let's add a function here. Call it handle order by. And this function will receive the column and the direction. So here inside what we need to do, all we need to do is to dispatch the action. Let's copy this line from here and paste it here, and we give it the column and the direction. Okay, so here what we need to do, we need to use this handle order by instead of using the same thing again and again. So here let's keep it set order by to null, but here let's change it to handle order by, and we give it so we give it the column and the direction. Okay, let's remove this. So the column is the ID and the direction, let's remove this direction. The direction here is so here I think the direction is desk, the first one, or ascending, not descending. And here we need to close curly braces. So I think now it's okay. Why we have the red line? So handle order by, we give it the ID, and what else? We give it the ascending, which is the direction. So why it's in red here? I think there is something here. Yes, so here we have also the curly braces with so let's remove it. So I think now we have fixed this problem. Okay, so next what we need to do, we need to do the same thing. Or let's copy everything from here, remove the on click. So here we are using the descending. Let's change it to desk. Move down, same thing. So here instead of ID we have title. Next what we have, same thing here title and desk, and I think that's all. So to search we will handle it later. So save. Now we are done with order filter. Let's move to our task list. Here we need to import and use this component. So here we need to change to order filter, and don't forget to import it. Okay, like you have done with the categories. Don't forget to import it here. Here is it. Now what we need also the order by from our states, which is this one. Copy and paste here, and we need to remove this order by that we have already defined. And what we need to do instead of or it's already here, so it's the same thing. So order by has the same name like we have done before, so we can keep it as it is, so nothing changes here. Okay, so let's save and take a look here. So I think we have an error, and I think that's the error is because here we have search. So let's comment this part because we have set search term and we don't have here set search term. That's why we have this error. So as you can see, now we have our tasks. Let's refresh again. Let's do something. Let's create a task so we can order. So we have now 3 tasks. So if we order by title, so something went wrong. Let's check what is wrong here. Order direction must be ascending or descending. So what we have sent? So we have sent the page 1, and that's also here. As you can see, we have undefined and undefined. Let's check here. So the order by here has only the title, as you can see, And search term, not search term, we are not using search term. So order by has only title. Okay, we need the two columns, which are not the columns, but we need two, the column and the direction. So here we set order by, we give it the column and the direction. And here let's go back to our task slice. So we have action, and here we have state.order, and we give it action.payload. So where is the problem here? So let's go back to our so here inside order filter we have the handle order by. So here is the problem. So we need to send an object, not two params. So I am sending two params. That's why we have the problem of the direction. So we need to use an object, so we can send an object to our order by here. Okay, let's do that again. Let's refresh the page. Try to order now. So something went wrong. What is wrong again? Where is the... So order direction must be the same thing. So I think that we have here, so the order, as you can see, is still title here, as you can see. Okay, so it's still title. We can change it. Let's go to our application here. I think the local storage has the user. What else we have here? The task. The order has the title. So this is the order. So we can do something. If we remove everything, so I think we will lose also the user. Okay, let's remove everything. Refresh the page. Now we need to log in again. Okay, let's log in again. Submit. And we are logged in successfully. Now we have our tasks. Let's check here the task. We have nothing. Okay, inside order. Now let's order by title. Sending, as you can see, title updated is the first one. Let's check the sending. So nothing changes. We still have the same thing. The ID. So the ID has changed, as you can see, but the title doesn't change. Let's try again. So we have something wrong with the title. So now the title is task. Let's try to... So it doesn't work. Let's check our console here. Network. So the final one, I think this one has the title, as you can see, title ascending. Title ascending. So it doesn't work. Why it's not working? We have here the title and ascending, and this is the task. So here we have the task title appended. Okay, so here we have ascending. So here let's try again. So now I think we have now descending. Let's check. So here, so it's same thing, title ascending, title ascending. I think I made a mistake here. Let's go back. So here ID ascending, here ID descending, here title ascending, and here we have the same thing. So that's why. So I just noticed it. So here we need title descending. Let's refresh the page. So now it will work. So we have, as you can see, we have here the order is already here. Let's now try to order again descending. So now, as you can see, it's working. Let's try ascending. It's working. Descending again. It's working. With the ID descending, it's working. With the ID ascending, it's working. Let's make it null, and it's working. Okay. So now we are done with orders. Let's move to search.